the way out from where I've been hunting today, the second day of rifle season, which has been my first day because I worked yesterday. I saw some new rubs when I was sitting there looking around, and rubs I hadn't seen first thing in the morning. Snow let up and I could see more. I found, I think, 3 more. On the way out though, I found even more, and this is the kind of stuff that makes me want to get up in the morning and come out and get in the woods and hunt. This stuff is amazing, and I'm going to be coming out here a lot more often than I thought I would because there are rubs everywhere. Take a look at these. So we got one there. It's kind of a dinky rub, but a rub nonetheless. Okay. Alright, and then we got this older fella right there. Alright. Probably from the beginning of archery season or so. And you got these. There are some decently sized trees, and they're decently new. Alright, and you got this. I mean, there's that one there. I mean, that's cool. That's not really what got me excited. I'm down below where my gun and stuff. I set my gun down to come back and do all this. I mean, right there's where I just rested for a second. Wait till you see this other stuff. Look at those 2 rubs. One on the left, one on the right. First, let's look at this one. This has got to be like 3 feet long. I'm not even kidding. It's not a very wide tree, but it is a long rub, a really long rub. And you come over here, you can look. I mean, he really got to that tree. That's just not bark peeling or anything. That's a rub. And he hit this one here. So he marked it up pretty good. He's got a scrape right here too. If you look there, there's a scrape. Doesn't necessarily have a licking branch, I don't think, here anywhere. Now, right there's your scrape 1. You'll come over here. I mean, here's scrape 2. Right there. You guys licking branch up above. And those twigs there. And then you have this freaking thing. This is probably the biggest scrape I've ever seen in my entire life. And it is pretty new. There's deer poop in there. Right there. And you got the whole scrape itself. And he just destroyed this branch. He has gotta be huge. He has gotta be. One of the guys from camp killed a 10-point today, and I hope he's not the one that's been doing this. I hope he's still here. I really want to get him. I want to get him really bad.